Cold showers? Unexpected plumbing emergencies? Not anymore. Pure Valley Plumbing is here to transform how Moreno Valley homes and businesses handle their water heating needs. You deserve hot water on demand. You deserve peace of mind. And you deserve a plumber who gets it done right the first time, every time. It's early morning. Your family's ready for their shower. You turn the knob. Nothing but ice cold water. Your business depends on reliable hot water. Your customers are waiting. That worn out water heater? It's not just an inconvenience. It's a ticking time bomb in your utility room. Leaking tanks, inconsistent temperatures, rising energy bills that keep climbing month after month. The frustration is real, but here's the truth. You don't have to live with it. Enter Pure Valley Plumbing, 120 skilled professionals ready to revolutionize your water heating experience. Whether you need expert repair to breathe new life into your existing system or complete replacement with the latest, most efficient technology available, we've got you covered. Our certified technicians don't just fix water heaters, they solve problems, they prevent disasters. They deliver solutions that homeowners and business owners trust with their most critical systems. From traditional tank water heaters to cutting-edge tankless systems, our EPA LEED Safe certified team knows every model, every manufacturer, every potential issue. We've been serving Moreno Valley since 2018, and we've earned our reputation through one principle: exceptional quality, every single job, guaranteed. Here's what sets us apart. Pure Valley Plumbing never leaves you hanging. Hot water emergencies don't wait for business hours, and neither do we. Our 24/7 emergency response guarantee means help arrives within 60 minutes. No excuses, no delays. Our 5 fully equipped service vans are strategically positioned throughout Moreno Valley, North Moreno Valley, Moreno Valley Ranch, and surrounding neighborhoods. When disaster strikes, we're already on the move. Because we understand a water heater emergency doesn't just cost money, it costs peace of mind. Our master plumbers aren't just licensed and insured, they're certified specialists in water heater systems. We utilize advanced leak detection technology to identify problems before they become catastrophes. Whether it's a small repair, a complete replacement, or a full system upgrade, we bring precision, expertise, and cutting-edge equipment to every single job. Your water heater replacement isn't just about getting hot water back. It's about investing in efficiency, longevity, and sustainable solutions. Our certified tankless water heater technicians can transform how your home or business uses energy. Imagine consistent hot water on demand while slashing your utility bills. It's not a dream. That's what Pure Valley Plumbing delivers. When you choose Pure Valley Plumbing, you're not just hiring a technician. You're partnering with a company that's earned 5 major awards for excellence, quality craftsmanship, and outstanding service quality. We're fully bonded and insured with $2 million in general liability coverage. We back every repair and installation with a comprehensive 12-month parts and labor warranty, plus our satisfaction guarantee. We're licensed master plumbers certified by the state of California, EPA LEED Safe certified, and active members of the California Association of Plumbing, Heating, Cooling Contractors. Your water heater repair or replacement isn't just work to us, it's our reputation on the line. Every job reflects our commitment to you. Worried about cost? We've got you covered. Pure Valley Plumbing offers flexible financing options to fit your budget. Plus, if you're a senior, military veteran, or active duty military personnel, we're proud to offer a 10% discount as our way of saying thank you for your service and your loyalty to our community. We accept cash, check Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and financing plans that work for real people with real budgets. Premium service doesn't mean premium prices, not at Pure Valley Plumbing. Here's what you need to understand. Pure Valley Plumbing is your neighbor. We're invested in Moreno Valley, from North Moreno Valley to Moreno Valley Ranch, from Rancho Belago to Hidden Springs, and every neighborhood in between. We know this community. We serve this community. We're part of this community. When you call Pure Valley Plumbing, you're not reaching some distant call center. You're connecting with a local team that cares about your home, your family, your business, and your satisfaction. We've been here for 7 years, building trust one water heater repair, one replacement, one satisfied customer at a time. That's not corporate speak. That's our track record. That's our legacy in Moreno Valley. You deserve reliable hot water. You deserve expert service. You deserve a plumber who shows up on time, solves the problem right, and stands behind their work with integrity and guarantees. You deserve Pure Valley Plumbing. Don't let another cold shower, another leaking tank, another sky-high energy bill dictate your comfort. Don't stress about finding a trustworthy local plumber. The answer is here, right now, ready to serve you 24/7, 365. Your water heater emergency is our emergency. Your peace of mind is our priority. Your satisfaction is our guarantee. Contact Pure Valley Plumbing today. Experience the difference that 120 skilled professionals, 7 years of community service, industry awards, and genuine local commitment can make in your life. Hot water is waiting. Reliability is waiting. Peace of mind is waiting. Pure Valley Plumbing, where expert solutions meet local service, where your comfort matters. Where your satisfaction is guaranteed, don't wait. Call now. Your perfect water heater experience starts today.